Today I have taken one challenge, whether I can make my video from being here or not. Why I am saying it challenge? Because as you can see, 3 roads they are matching there. Okay, so any passerby, any strangers, they can pass by this road and they will see me that what I am doing, right? So let's see whether I can handle it or not. Because what happened when I see new people, so my voice get changed out of fear, you know. So if I do it regularly every time, like speaking in front of strangers or passerby, so it's okay. Actually, if they are my villager, I don't have problem at all, any problem, because they have seen me and I have also seen them many times. While creating my video, they come and go and it doesn't affect me anymore. But whatever I am doing here today, it seems little different from other videos. Why? Because here people, they can come from any villages and I don't know what will be their reaction if they watch me making video from here. It doesn't matter. So what happened today when I clicked my picture for making my thumbnail, I thought that I should create my video from being my home. But what I found out that people, they are chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, and that is very loud and clear, you know. So I found that my home is not conducive for making videos, because if I make my video, so the voice is very loud and clear, so it can be heard easily. I mean, people, instead of listening my voice, they will listen that chanting, you know. So it can disturb them. That is why I came here. And when I came here, I thought, okay, I will create my video from that place. But what I found out that my villagers, farmers, they are doing irrigation related work. They are irrigating their field, you know. So then I thought, okay, let's try to create my video irrespective of places or what others will think about me, because finally I have to create my video, right? So I decided and I'm here creating my video. The thing is that sometime I have done it and I do also when they are stranger, they do any kind of thing. When I create my video, I stop making video and then I delete that video and then I go some other places and once again I start from the beginning. You know, it happens with me, and that's why I told you people that it's a kind of challenge. It's different thing that I'm doing today. You might be not feeling it. You might be thinking that she is doing the same kind of thing, but for me it's a kind of challenge, to be honest. Today I haven't decided any topic that what I am going to discuss, but my situation is creating one topic, that is how to face the fear. My friend, whatever we do in our life first time, so if we are unknown of anything, we get fear. The chances are we get fear. But when we become familiar to that particular things, it could be any environment, any person, or our job or interview or anything, so it become easy for us, right? But when we do first time, it seems that what we are doing are we may die like out of fear, you know. Many things happens, even our breathing start getting faster, and that's what happened with me. Like I found when some stranger, they were passing by, not in this video because I deleted that video. Being here, I created 1 or 2 minute video and I deleted it. Why? Because I found some strangers, they were going, and I found changes in my voice. I was not speaking the way I'm speaking in this video, you know. So what happened, out of fear, we end up making mistakes and all. So I would say that try to be familiar of the thing which is creating fear in you. Do you also have the fear of speaking English language? If you get fear of speaking English language, face it. Start speaking. So you might be getting fear of speaking this language with maybe your co-learners. If you do it regularly, if you do it every single day, you will become familiar to this kind of situation. Whatever is creating fear, you just have to become familiar to that. You just have to face that one, and you will see, my friend, you will not have that fear at all. Today I have fear, or not fear, I would say that a kind of awkwardness I'm feeling. So if I do it every single day, I'll become habitual, right? But it is first time when I'm creating this video here, and the time is also many passerby, they can go and come, but you might be thinking no one went. As long as I'm creating my video, I think I have already completed more than 5 minutes, but still no passerby has gone, or no passerby has passed by this road. So it's okay, they can come and go. I'm not waiting also. If they are not, I'm okay to create my video, you know. So this is the thing. Actually, many people, they say that I have the fear of speaking English language. I cannot speak in front of my boss. I cannot speak in front of my friends. You haven't done it. The first time you are going to do it, it's obvious you are going to feel the fear. But if you face it, if you do it regularly, you will not have fear at all. And you know what? It doesn't matter you are speaking wrong or right. It matters whether you have confidence or not. But confidence comes later. If you start doing any particular work, confidence will follow you. But if you are waiting for the confidence, okay, I need to be more confident, and then afterward I'll start doing any particular work, but this is not right. If you do any work, first time it will feel awkward, full of fear, but if you face it and keep doing, you will get familiar to that situation, which may be horrible to others. But now you can do it. Why? Because you have been doing it for a long, right? So it happens. So don't worry. If you have to speak this language, start speaking. I'm sharing with you people that what is happening with me. It is situational, right? Because at this point, anything can happen. I'm not saying that anyone can come and kill me. No, nothing is like that. Any strangers, they can go, and I may feel little awkward. And it's okay. First time I may feel, but after that I will not feel. The thing is that some strangers, I have noticed it also, when we create any video and they watch us doing this work, they start creating some noise, like, oh, what you are doing, this one, that one, you know, because they haven't seen people doing this kind of things. Very rare girls, they do in my village. Of the girls, they are making reels. I'm not saying what is right, what is wrong. They are free to make the reels. If they are interested, they can do it, right? What I'm saying here, that girls, they don't come out at this kind of places, and they don't make video, and that is rare for those strangers also. That's why they do some strange things, you know. I'm not saying they are wrong. No one is wrong here. So it's the situational things. Yeah, where I was, that how to be confident, and how to face the fear, how to not get fear while speaking English language. My friend, it's okay to work on your English, but you have to jump into practice. You know, you don't have to watch it from distance. You have to jump into practice. If you start practicing, if you start doing every kind of practice, listening, speaking, and reading, every kind of practice, your confidence will build automatically, because that's the rule. But don't wait for confidence, that okay, once my confidence will come, afterward I will start doing my work. It will not work, you know, you will fail. So don't wait for confidence, just start doing whatever you are desiring for. If you are trying to learn English language, do it, no matter your English is broken or not. I have seen two kinds of people. Some of them are like that, their English is very good, but they cannot speak confidently. Other kind of people, their English is not good, but they can speak very confidently. They are getting job, they are facing interview, so many things. Why? Because they are believing in practice. They are practicing, they are taking the steps. In your case, you have fear. So my friend, What I'm trying to say that face your fear, you know, face it. Let the people say whatever they are saying. Do your work. Be focused. And if you have fear of speaking English language, you are not alone. It happened with me. As a beginner, it happened. I wasn't able to speak clearly and good way and very confidently because I had fear. Fear of judgment, fear of so many things. But now I don't have. Why? Because I practiced a lot. Now I'm familiar with this language and what people can say to me and how I will answer them. In your case also, you can do it. But it needs practice. You have to practice. Actually, many people, they don't get whatever they want because of fear, and because of unknown thing they get the fear. If something is unknown to them, they get fear that this is the English language, they had never ever heard this language, they had never ever spoken this language, that's why they have fear. But my friend, become familiar to this language, you will not have the fear at all, you know. So this is the thing. So look at the environment. As you can see, this side greenery, and let me show you this side. This side is also greenery. In between, this road is there and the dam is also there. Thank God, successfully I created my video, and very less passerby they passed by these roads. And even I was ready for that situation too. I was ready to feel little bit vulnerable too, but it didn't happen. So it's okay. I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.